on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days since I've been able to upload. Sorry, this thing's a little shaky. I'm actually on the interstate right now. I'm towing the Big Tex, the 16-footer. I got about, I think I'm right at, when I weighed it, I had to get the weigh ticket. I got 8,000 pounds on it. I'm gonna flip this camera around. Here's where we're at, 68. And everything. But we're fixing to get ready to climb a, well, I shouldn't have swapped it around yet, but I don't know if you guys can see that hill there. Getting ready to climb it. So it's going to be interesting, and how to, we're running actually 74. Ever since I've done these governor springs and this K27, been doing great. But I'm just kind of curious to find out how this thing's going, the GTs are going to run climbing this hill. Like I said, trailer and all, we probably got 10,000, I guess, behind us. But yeah, we're going to find out. Here we go, guys. Swap this around, let y'all watch everything as we start to climb. There, like I said, we got about 11,000 behind us. Out of it, but speed still 64. Thing seems to be doing okay for right now. But yeah, guys, this is just unedited raw footage. I wanted y'all to see how this setup done. If y'all are interested in doing this setup or something similar, 5x12 injectors, K27 board warner turbo. We got 410 gears, NV 4500 trans that I had built, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to get a clutch actually put in it before long. I mean, it ain't gonna keep doing this day in, day out. But yeah, guys, this is it. We're running, like I said, 70, no problem. EGTs came back down. What do we get up? We might have got up to what, 700, so around in there degrees. Wasn't bad at all. But yeah, it's doing fine, guys. I mean, I'm happy with the setup. Anyway, like, subscribe to the channel. Said I got some stuff I'm gonna upload on some different projects that I'm doing, and I'm looking at doing something else for the channel also. I'm just kind of waiting on to see if it happens first before I actually let anyone know. So I'm looking for a certain couple of things for the channel, but I will upload those videos on the coolant bypass when we do it, and the heater core. I'll upload it, get it all together. Got some new camera gear that I tried out, so I just got to upload all that stuff, guys. It's just been a crazy past couple of weeks. But guys, like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell. Go check us out on Instagram, CDP and Performance. Like I said, I want to grow this thing, but I need your guys' help to do that. And yeah, let me know y'all's setup. What do y'all got? What do y'all like to tow with? Anyway, guys, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to y'all soon.